This is a little bee that was in despair when I found him upside down on the concrete. And I've gotten him upright with some dignity. He's been warming himself in the sun. He's appreciative. Oh. The wind is blowing slightly. Look at that bee. He's feeling good now, isn't he? He's like, I'm feeling much better. Thank you, dude. One of the reasons why you can trust that a bee like this is probably not going to sting you is what I've been taught in school, is that if a bee stings you, it costs the bee its life. So the bee's not going to do that unless it thinks it's going to die anyway, is what I'm thinking would make sense if I was a bee. Hey, bee. I know a good spot for you, Mr. B. Right here, Mr. B. Ah, there you go. You can be a wood bee.